Membership operators in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will talk about the membership operators in Python in detail. There are two types of membership operators in Python. They are in and not in. And also they are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence like string, list, tuple, set, a dictionary, and more. The in operator returns true if value or variable is found in the sequence, and not in, it returns true if value or variable is not found in the sequence. This is a theoretical definition for that. So let's take a simple example, a practical example to illustrate that. For this example, we created a variable called x and its value is a string data type. This string data type is hi there in between double quotes, as you can see, sequence of characters. And the second variable is called y and it is a special variable and it is a list. Actually a list of 4 items of integers 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we separated them using comma, as you can see. If you try to check if h exists in x, you will get true, because the h character really exists in the x variable or the x string. And for the second result, 1 in y, we got true because 1 actually exists in the y variable or the y list. T not in x, we got false because t is in x. And for the last one, 2 not in y, as you can see it returns false, because the integer number 2 is really exists in the list y. Try to do that with other sequences. Try to use the membership operators in and not in with a dictionary or a tuple or a set or any sequence you want. And you will find that it is a very easy and simple operation. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance.